Okay, dear students, so in this practical video we will discuss about the definition list. Okay, definition list. So first of all, let me open Notepad. So now Notepad is here. So let me type the basic structure of HTML. Okay, so HTML, then head, then title. Inside title, as this practical is of definition list, so I would like to write definition lists practicals, then finally title close, body open, and then body close, and then HTML close. Alright, so inside this I want the definition. Alright, so for definition list we have a definition term and the definition of that particular term. Okay, means data definition. So suppose I want to give the definition of database. So first of all I need to write the DL tag, which is represented as definition list. Okay, DL is for definition list. Then inside that I will use definition term. Okay, definition term, and I want to specify the definition of, suppose, database. All right, database. So this is our definition term. Now I will give the definition of this term. So a database refers to a collection of interrelated data. Alright, so this is the definition we have given here, and now I can close this definition list here. So this is the practical of definition list. Now I will save it. So for save, the shortcut key is Control S. So I can press that. So Control S, and you can see the save as dialog box appearing. So now I am saving it with the name, suppose definition list .html, as we specify the .html or .html extension. So save it. Now you can see at the desktop as we save it. So now Chrome browser can read it, any browser can read it. So this file I will open now here by double clicking on it. So let's see. So you can see database is the term and the definition is appearing here. Alright, so by this way we have done it. Suppose if I have another term, anything else, so I can specify what? I can again specify the DT, definition term. And suppose this time I want the definition of DBMS. Okay, then definition DD, I will specify DD, data definition. Okay, so DBMS की data definition आपकी क्या होती है? A database management system refers to any software that helps a user to create and manage a database effectively and efficiently. Okay, so now save it by pressing Ctrl S or save like this, and if I will refresh it here, so you can see DBMS with the definition. Alright, so by this way we can implement the definition list. Alright, so try to do these practicals. Okay, alright.